Hello everybody, my name is Brussel Saxby from Sax-Bee Auto Towing. And today I got a simpler tool to look at. This wasn't what I wanted to do today, but I'm gonna have to take some time to do this. Everything else is not important as this. It's doing these videos. So let's get to it. So, what we have this time around is everything's fine, no problem here. This here is an X-Acto knife. Some people will tell me this here is also called a box cutter, but that don't make no sense to me because you use it for plenty more than just cutting boxes. Let me give you a daggone look at the daggone thing. So that's what it looks like. Not too bad a piece of equipment. It just say Made in China on it, which I'm not too excited about. You can see it's got a chip right in it. Right there. So the cutter ain't cutting. So that's what we gotta fix. So supposedly, I'm told by the great almighty internet that these things just open up, and now supposedly there is a supposed replacement blade inside, which is good because I need to replace the daggone thing and I don't have any blades. So in order to take this daggone thing apart, you can see I'm going to need a Phelps head screwdriver. That's the one that looks like a plus. For those of you who don't know, I'm going to need one of those because we got to make everything a 20-step process. So here's my issue with this thing. I need a Phelps head screwdriver. I don't got one. Because somebody done sneaked in here over the weekend and borrowed it. Told me they'd have it back by Monday. Here we are daggone Wednesday and it's not here. So I have to talk to somebody about that. So I'm going to have to get innovative here with how I do this. So I've got some ideas. We'll see how they pan out. Most of my ideas turn out good. So, as you've seen in the videos, I do these daggone things because I get good ideas. So I got a couple ideas here for how to do this. This here's a bobby pin. So I'll be using this bobby pin to try to, get it on in there. Give it a little twist and try to take it out. So we're gonna see if I can do this. Gotta stick the phone on my gut. See if I can hold it here while I do this, because we need to try to maybe I can try doing it like this. I don't like how it's bending the daggone bobby pin. Why don't they make these daggone things? Oh, daggone. Oh, it's just bending the bobby pin. Alright, so that's not going to work. So idea number 2 is to use a dime dime here. Stick it in here. Try to. See, it's like it's almost going, and then it just stops. It's like it's soldered in there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it worked. Oh my goodness, it worked. Oh my goodness, it worked. Oh my goodness. So, there's the moral of your story right there. If you don't have a Phelps head screwdriver, just use a dime. Because that worked pretty good, actually. There you go. Right, so I got the thing coming off here. I'll just do, look at this little trick here. You'd think I'd done this before, but I assure you I have not, just as the sky is gray. So I'll just do this little spinning trick. And out she comes. Out she comes. Out she comes. There, got it. Alright, we got it. So, now I'm told it just comes apart like this. Look at that go. That is so cool. I just love that. So we take out the offending knife blade. Oh boy, and you can see that's really gummed up. I'm going to dispose of that in a good and proper way so ain't nobody get cut on it. Alright, and this is the alleged replacement blade. How about that tag on it? So, I'll take it out with little wrapping paper. It's like wrapped up like a little hoagie. So we got thingamajigger. I don't even know what this is, but allegedly it's supposed to stay in there. I don't know. I guess it just goes like that. Then you got the knife. I guess it does it. I guess it just kind of sits. I don't know. I guess this just kind of like is a safety thing. Keep it back in there. Alright, now we stick it back on there. Yeah, look at that. That looks like a right good knife right there. Down to this. Look. Alright, apparently I'm doing something wrong here because the daggone thing ain't staying in there. So, I don't know what the deal with this is. It's like it's almost shaped like a knife. Look at this. Is this the replacement knife? I don't know because they don't tell me. They ought to. So, well, I can't figure the daggone thing out. But I wouldn't call this a failure because I did show you how to remove the offended knife blade. So that's something. Whoop-de-doo. Now you know how to take out a daggone knife blade. As soon as I get this here figured out, I'll put up another stupid video on how to do that. Everything's got to be 20 steps now. Ever since China taken over. That's all I gotta say. So thanks for watching. And that's it. So I'm gonna have to get innovative here with how I with how I do this.